Hi everyone, welcome to another Ballet-inspired tutorials. I'm Yelena and today we have follow along stretching routine. This is not only for new moms but also for anyone who is trying to find a gentle way to return back into ballet. And saying that, let's get ready and let's begin with a follow along stretching routine.
Let's begin sitting on the floor, legs extended in front of you, and breathe in, bring arms up, shoulders up. Breathe out, everything relaxes. And one more time, breathing in, shoulders up to your ears. Out, everything relaxes. We're going to repeat everything a few more times. And now I want you to focus on following your own rhythm. Deep breath in, shoulders up, crunching against your ears, and down. 2 more times. Focus on crunching your shoulders and then fully relaxing. Last time, breath out. Next, you're gonna breathe in, and as you breathe out, your chin's gonna go all the way to your chest. And breathe in, everything recover, elongating. And everything out, back, chin to chest. We're gonna repeat that a few more times. So focus on what you want to relax here. You want to relax and arch even farther those shoulders forward. Do so. One more time, breathing in and out. Good job. One more time, breathing in. Breathing out. Last time, breathing in, elongating everything. And as you breathe out, relax shoulders down, chin to chest, and we're gonna hold. Keep breathing in. Keep breathing out. Few more breaths here. 2 more times in. Last time in. And out. Next, you're gonna breathe in. You're gonna bring your arms up over your head, and we're gonna forward fold. Hold 1, 2, and again, all the way up. Exhale, forward fold. We're gonna do it one more time. And everything out. One last time, breathing in. And good job. One more time. This time we are going to bring arms up, and you're gonna reach even farther forward, super long in front of you, and recover. Good job. Next we're gonna do mermaid position. You're gonna have right leg in front, left leg behind you, and you're gonna reach with your right hand up and gonna bend towards the left side. Keep breathing in and out. Now if you want to pause the video and just hold that position, do so. However, I'm gonna keep moving and we're gonna do 2 more breaths in and out. So we're gonna go back to, you can look over your shoulder down to the floor or look up to the roof. One last time, breathing in, out. Longer, deep down stretch, recover. Good job. Next we're gonna do butterfly position. This is not a super flexible position. I just want you to focus on breathing in, out. You can play with your neck, relaxing those muscles side to side. Keep breathing in, out. As you breathe out, maybe focus on opening a little bit more those hips and stretching even farther your butterfly position, but keep focusing on breathing in, out. When you're ready, we are going to do then the mermaid position. Left leg in front, right leg to the back. Your left hand is gonna reach over your head and keep going all the bend towards the right side. Keep breathing in and out. Good job. A few more times here again. Use your own breathing, your own rhythm if you want to stay longer. Feel the stretch on that left side of your torso. One more time, breathing in and down. You can look over your shoulder down to the floor or just stay looking up to the roof. One more time, down. And we are going to recover and do again our butterfly position. Breathing in and out. You can play with lowering your chest, chin to chest, and lifting and slightly tilting that head back. And again, chin to chest, recovering up, tilting back. Or you can just drop ear to shoulder and ear to shoulder. Good job. Few more breath in. Awesome. Next, we're gonna do back twists, and you're gonna bring your right leg over the left leg. Left elbow is gonna find your right knee, and you're gonna look back behind you over your right shoulder. You're gonna breathe in and breathe out. With each breath in, you're going to elongate and grow taller. With each breath out, you're going to increase that twist of your back. Does that make sense? Try to focus on that. Breathing in and increase the twist. Awesome. Let's recover forward, and next we're going to do forward fold. This is great for glutes stretching, hips opening, relaxing your back, relaxing your neck, your shoulders. Now you can extend those arms in front of you and keep focusing on breathing in. And as you breathe out, increase that forward fold. One more breath in and out. Great job. We're gonna change everything now to the left. Left leg in front, right elbow to your left knee. We're gonna look over your left shoulder all the way to the back and keep breathing in and out. Focus on stretching that left glute to keep increasing that twist of your back, elongating through your spine. And once you're ready, breathing in and out, we are going to forward fold. Keep focusing on breathing in, out. Feel your hips opening up. Feel your back relaxing, arching forward, your neck. Try to relax your head. You can even play moving head side to side. Arms can be by your side, or you can be resting in your forearms. And once you're ready, we are going to recover up. We are gonna extend legs again one more time in front of you, and we are going to do forward fold with your right leg on top of your left knee. You're going to breathe in and out. With each breath in, you're gonna get longer, elongating and growing. With each breath out, you're going to try to go farther down, and that's how you're gonna focus with your breath. In, long, out, even farther down. We're gonna do it one more time. In and out. Awesome. Now we're gonna lay back all the way on your back. You're gonna bring your left leg off the ground, and you're gonna reach with right hand between your legs, left hand around, and you're gonna bring knee to chest. Keep breathing in and out. Feel my breath here. Now that you're laying on your back, try to feel that spine really long, your back flat on the ground, stretching your glutes, stretching your hamstrings. Use your body to weight yourself down. melt on that mat. Breathing in and out. We're gonna change, and in this same position, then we're gonna have left leg on top, right leg bending. Keep breathing in, breathing out. Great job. This is our second to last exercise. So really use this moment to connect with your muscles, connect with yourself. Why are you doing this video? Remember why we're stretching, why we want to take this time for ourselves. Once you're ready, we are going to recover up. You're gonna leave that left leg on top of your right knee and you are gonna forward fold. If you haven't noticed by now, my mom's brain forgot to do it to the left. So please try to notice that. Change, leave that left leg on top of right knee. Breathe in and out and enjoy your last stretch of this video. Keep breathing in and out. And thank you so much for joining me in this first video since having my baby. I hope you enjoyed this class, enjoyed this follow along stretching routine under 10 minutes. And once you're ready, don't forget to subscribe, share with your friends, and see you on my next video.